Hello, my friends. I am so excited to share these products with you. One of them has a funny little story behind it, but let me just tell you, one of them has been requested so much, I could not get it done fast enough. And it is our 5x7 flip it card. Now, what do I mean when I mean 5x7? I mean it is large and in charge. Look at that. So much real estate for you to be able to make any message you want on there. I absolutely love it. Now, just a heads up, it comes with two big word sayings. It comes with, may all your dreams come true. Yes, it comes with all of that, right? It also comes with happy birthday. I always say that. Happy birthday. May all your dreams come true. So there, boom. Happy birthday. May all your dreams come true. That's the song I sing. I don't know where I got it. But look how cute that is. Also, there is this special little die included that will hold a gift card. You die cut it on any shape you want. It will hold a gift card. You could use one of these layering dies if you want to. But, oh, and it also has HHBD for happy birthday. Isn't that cute? So there you go. That is our 5x7. Now, you do need a wider machine. Yes, it fits in the new Grand Marquis. Yes, it fits in the new Grand Marquis. This will not fit in a 6-inch machine. So just know that, okay? You need a wider machine like an 8-inch machine. But isn't it awesome? And look at, you could put a little gift card on there. So fun. Now, also, we are releasing, in the first 24 hours, flash sale. We're also releasing, and I know it doesn't look like much here, so I'm going to show you a sample, Give Thanks. So this is from our Stand and Say series of words, and it's been extremely popular because there's so many different ways you can do these, and vertical words are really hot. I mean, people love them. So here we go. Give thanks. And this is our cute little recipe A2 card base. So fun. I love it. So normally you would go like this, but this one is vertical. I love it. Also being released, and this one has I feel bad for this one. It's a tag set, but it's stitch dot stitch dot stitch dot, and it has waited forever to be released. It's finally gotten on the schedule. Poor little guy. I feel bad for it. Finally released. And can I just tell you, I just need to tell you, look at all the tag samples my design team has made. So we'll go through those a little quickly because it's going to take forever. There's so many. The team loves it. Now, this is the one that has the funny little story. I needed neon cardstock for a project with the twins. And I'm a nut. I happen to own a crafting company or a stamping or a paper crafting company. And in my brain, I think, okay, I need 24 sheets of some neon cardstock. I don't just go find it somewhere else, right? I get it myself. I bring it in because when you want specific colors, when you want high quality, when you have all of these requirements, you cannot just go to the big stores and buy it because you don't know what you're going to get. So if you buy it here, you know what you're going to get. Don't even buy it because I bought it for myself. This is all for me. But let me just show you how amazingly awesome it is. You have your hot pink. So these are neon colors. Hot pink. You have your hot orange. You have your mini or like medium orange. Look at that. Then you have your put on your sunglasses. Your yellow. Or actually it's more of like a greeny yellow. And then you have, so it's a green yellow kind of. And then you have your green. Now let me just tell you, if you ever need neon colors, I've got you covered. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And they're really fun. Now, a couple notes. Very thick. It's very high quality. Nice and thick. Also, just a note, this is white core. Usually all of our custom cardstock is solid core. This is a white core. So I just want you to know that ahead of time, but also makes it for fun other ideas, right? So that is now on the website. And let me just tell you, put sunglasses on before you open it. It's awesome. Now let's jump in and look at all the samples because I have a billion. So here is our cute little Happy Thanksgiving tag. So fun. Imagine giving this like as a little, making this part of your like, hey, come to Thanksgiving. You can make it a little ornament type thing. So adorable. Oh, here's a cute one. Recipe, Kiss the Cook. I love that. Here's another one. Look how cute. Recipe, and you could even put your little recipe on there. So fun. Does that one have? Oh, look, it has that one too. From the kitchen oven, you could add your little recipe to it. I love it. Okay, you guys, if you are not making tags for, you know what? I don't know what this is. If you are not making tags for Christmas, you need to be making tags. So here we go, and I'm questioning where those tops came from, so someone's gonna have to tell me. But look at how many, look, to, from. Look at that. Just sit down and make a whole bunch of tags, right? Because it's so much fun. And then you have a little, when you're giving someone a gift, you have like a little tag to put on there. So this is another one. Look how cute that is. Hello. And look, they get small. So you have little tiny baby ones too. So you get to have pretty much, how many sizes are there? Let's look really quick. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sizes. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Look how cute some of these are. I just love them. Well, they're all cute. But here we go. There's another one. Look. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This one, that thank you, is from our box, our A2 box, which is really fun. Ooh, give thanks. We just released that one. Oh, there's our little peeking critter. Isn't he cute? I love that. And then you can also put them on a card, right? They can go on the card front. Here we go. Here's a cute little baby one. I love that. Okay, let's look at some more samples. Okay, you guys, 5x7 cards are just so amazing when you add a flip it on there. So we have the 5x7 flip its, the big circle, the square, and now this rectangle. Rectangle is perfect for gift cards, right? Gift cards are perfect for this. So here's another one. Ooh, using our beautiful stencil. Look how pretty that is. Another gift card. Who did that? Chris did that. She made a little out of our packaging, a pretend gift card to Stamps of Life. That's what you're going to ask for Christmas, right? Here we go. May all your dreams come true. Love that. Oh, here's one of our cute little peeking puppies. And it says, happy, happy birthday. Ooh, there's a gift card. Open that up. Oh, look at how cute. I love that. Now let's look at a couple give thanks. Look at that. So that's on a standard card. Ooh, this is using our chevron stencil. Love that. Here is another one on a mini slimline card. So pretty. And here it is on what I designed it for originally, which I love how I design it with one idea in mind, and the design team does 1,000 other different things with it also, which is always so nice, right? So, because then you're getting more bang for your buck. So I originally designed the stand and says to go on gatefold cards. So this is a gatefold card. It says give thanks. And look at the cute little pumpkins at the bottom. Love that. Open it up. Look at that. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. I love that. So my friends, woo, go to the website. Check it all out. Again, the first 24 hours they're on the website. We do a flash sale. So make sure you go check that out. And let me tell you, pretty amazingly awesome, huh? I'll see you at the Stamps of Life. Go check out the gallery. We have a new gallery I'm so excited about. I will see you there. stampsoflife.com. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.